Suppose a game show host put 3 red balls in a hat and 1 yellow ball. Then shook them up, and you reach in and simultaneously pull out 2 balls. It's possible you pulled 2 reds. It's also possible that you pulled a red and the yellow. Now here's where things get interesting. There are 2 prizes available. You will win either $5,000 in cash, or you'll receive a box of tissues. The host then tells you, before you play, you need to decide which prize is assigned to the outcome of the 2 red balls. The remaining prize will be associated with the red-yellow combination. The Bucks or Box game lays the foundation for a lesson planned according to a PEER strategy, where P stands for predict and E is for explore. The second E represents explain, and R stands for reflect. So far, you've experienced the predict portion of the lesson. Let's continue moving along to the exploration section of the lesson. Let's take some time to see what is likely to happen. Grab a container and 4 objects. All 4 should be identical except for one characteristic, like color, that sets one of the objects apart. Mix them up, reach in, and simultaneously select 2 objects. The third component to the lesson is working on a theoretical explanation for what is happening. Start by representing the ball symbolically, then imagine all the possibilities for outcomes. To close the lesson, we ask students to reflect on the activity and the mathematics. Things like experimental versus theoretical probability, or the importance of the law of large numbers, or discussing reasons for discrepant results, or how to improve the experiment. As we look at the entirety of the PEER lesson, we should note that any lesson built using a PEER approach necessarily targets the process standard of reasoning. And now it's time for a chuckle. What do you call a parrot that has flown the coop? Wait for it. Wait for it. What do you call a parrot that's flown the coop? A polygon.